Welcome back. Now, India Today's Rajdeep Sardesai has spoken exclusively with TMC leader Babul Supriyo over his decision to join the Trinamool Congress. Listen in.
And joining me now is the Trinamool Congress leader, formerly Union Minister with the BJP, Babul Supriyo. Appreciate your joining us, Babul Supriyo. There will be those who will say Babul Supriyo is the ultimate political opportunist. You were removed from the Union Ministry of Narendra Modi. You went and joined the Trinamool Congress, who used to attack and criticize. This is ultimate political opportunism. You just wanted power. How do you respond?
Well, you see, I want to ask you a question. First of all, it's always great to talk to you. Now, have I created history by shifting parties? I just want to know that. What about those people who, in all other states, joined the BJP? If this is such a, some see it as an opportunity that I've responded to, a place where I've been accepted with love and more with the trust, where they feel that I can contribute. I am not here to enjoy the public money, sitting in a big bungalow and enjoying all the perks and just doing nothing. I think that if in thoroughrish English, we all know that what MOS means. He had said it very famously that MOS is someone who's sitting on a graveyard, a lot of people below him, but no one is listening. But I still did a lot of work. Second time, singer Babul Supriyo did not win. MP Babul Supriyo won. I think whatever circumstances where my leaving politics was wholehearted, and if I changed my decision to come back, BJP should.
Babul Supriyo.
BJP should let. BJP should make all the players, all the other leaders who joined BJP. They should all be given a garland and ask them to go back to their own original parties. Because if they change parties, then it is political opportunism. So let them say what they want. I think they're valid in their political attack. That's what they're supposed to do. I just need to work. Wherever I see the opportunity to work, I am not going to let my 7 years of experience go for waste. I left, retired, hurt. I think I made it very clear. And if I see opportunity to work,
Babul Supriyo, sure. No, you're right that this is not the first time someone has switched sides. That I accept. However, till a few months ago, you were attacking Mamata Banerjee so strongly. I remember a statement you made, for example, in 2019. You said bizarre statements are the USP of Mamata Banerjee. You cannot expect logic or constitutional things. Yes.
Rajiv, once again, when I say that I have not created history by shifting sides, this is the footballing season. You're watching the Champions League. I think we spoke about it. Messi did not want to leave Barcelona. He left with a sad heart. But the circumstances were so that he needed to move to PSG. He scored against PSG in the previous Champions League matches. Now, when he's playing for PSG, do you expect him to be in Barcelona, in the Barcelona ground, Nou Camp, and not score?
No, you cannot compare. You cannot compare football and politics. How can you compare football and politics? What is the ideology? What is your ideology, Babul Supriyo? What is your ideology?
Raj, if you attack me, then I'm not going to respond to any question. If you want to know what my ideology is, then you have to listen to what I'm saying.
No, what is your ideology?
My ideology is very clear. I just told you. Were you listening or were you preparing your next question, next grilling question? If you listen to me, you'll understand. I said it in the first line itself. I do not want my 7 years of experience in parliamentary politics to go for waste. When I left, it looked like a retired hurt kind of a thing. I got a great opportunity from my rivals, which I was not at all expecting. It's something that happened in the last 5 days, absolutely 5 days. And I felt that there was some love, trust, and faith that was being entrusted on me. And therefore, I responded to that. In life, many things happen, and it is about how you respond to it. To me, it's an opportunity. I see 9 from here. To the others, it looks like opportunity. They see 6 from there. I really don't care. I have said I have not created history. My ideology, I think ideology of all parties is working for the public. Here with Mamata Didi, I can sing. She's a lover of music. I can sing. I can do what I want. At the same time, as you can see, I'm sitting. My house is just by the river. I needed to shift to Kolkata for whatever reason, for my personal reasons. I think things have fallen into place. I don't see anything wrong in anyone saying that they see it as political opportunism. I tell them, I congratulate them that they're being loyal to their party and attacking. That's the job.
Okay.
That's the job.
So Babul Supriyo, what happens to all the statements you made about... No, just a minute, sir. Sir, what happens to all the statements, remarks you made about Mamta and the TMC when your car was attacked by the TMC on your way to university, Jadavpur University, or all your
that was done by the left.
tug of war that you had with the Trinamool Congress? You were seen as the face of the anti-TMC in Bengal. What happens to all of that?
Why, if I was seen as the anti-TMC face in Bengal, why wasn't that respect? I think you need to ask that to my previous bosses. I am very thankful to Narendra Modi ji, Amit Shah ji, Nadda ji, for giving me the platform in BJP and letting me learn so much from parliamentary politics in the last 7 years. But please remember that it was me, as a Bengali, I felt I needed to respond when a moment happened in air where Swami Ramdev ji said that they weren't expecting any seat from Bengal. And I felt the Shyama Prasad Mukherjee's land, Rabindranath Tagore's land, Atal ji, in whose cabinet Mamta Didi was a member, and Atal Bihari, who is so revered and loved in Bengal. It's very bizarre that BJP thinks they cannot win a seat in 2014. For Narendra Modi ji, was already elected as a Prime Minister. People have already elected him as a Prime Minister much before the general elections happened. So I took it up as a challenge as a Bengali that you give me, put my name in the list. I was the one who said, I was not offered a seat by BJP. I said, you put my name in the list, I will win you a seat. I did that in 14. I did that again in 19. I think that we all, if you are the editor of a particular newspaper, will you like it? If you are suddenly made a copywriter once again, I don't think you so. We all work our ways up in life. And therefore, if my coach doesn't play me in the playing 11, I think I should play for a...
So correct me if I'm wrong. So correct... No. So correct me if I'm wrong, you left the BJP because you were angry at the manner you were removed as a minister. Am I correct? That is the reason why you left the BJP. That's why people are saying that it's not out of love for Mamta or TMC, but because the BJP dropped you from the cabinet.
Well, there is a, we all respond to the emotions that happen to you when certain opportunities, certain things happen in your life. What is so wrong about it? I definitely responded to, see who is going to be in where. That is the prerogative of the party, the Prime Minister, and the and the organization of any political party. But if I feel that I am not needed or I am not getting the opportunity to, I am not going to, as I said, with public money, I'm not good. I've earned enough in life. I can still do a lot with my music. I can live a decent life with all of that. If I am in public life, I am not going to take my salaries and sit there doing nothing. So let's be very honest. If I was happy, I would have been where I was. I wasn't happy. I reacted to that. I left politics wholeheartedly, and today I have come back because I've responded to an opportunity where all the experience that I've gathered, I can put it to, it did look like retired hurt, isn't it? So there must be something very special, something very exciting for me to respond to an opportunity.
What is Mamta Banerjee offering you?
What is?
No, you keep saying you are responding to an opportunity. What is Mamta Banerjee offering you? Rajya Sabha seat? Is she offering you to return to the Asansol seat? Is she offering you some special place? What is it that Mamta Banerjee is offering you now that has suddenly made you go towards her?
I think, as I said, everything happened in the last 5 days. Why didn't you, Rajiv, you can do an interview with Mamta Banerjee and ask her what she's offering me. It's a prerogative of the Chief Minister or the Supremo of the party. I am not entitled to, I am not authorized to spell anything out. And, to be very honest, I think that whatever I do at whatever point of time, I do it with all my heart. And if I feel injured, if I feel that my efforts have not been rewarded or if my efforts have not been recognized, I am not here to sit on the bench. I tell you I am a workaholic. I know whatever efforts I've put in. If you ask my boss, Prakash Javadekar ji, he will give me an A++ in whatever I've done as an MOS. And I remind you once again, I am not doing any hanky-panky with my MP seat. I have already sought a appointment with Honorable Speaker for tomorrow. If I get it, I am flying back to Delhi tonight. If I get it tomorrow, I am resigning from my MP seat tomorrow. So there is no hanky-panky or pulling around and doing all of that and enjoying my salary as an MP.
Because the sense I get, Babul Supriyo, the sense I get is that Babul Supriyo at the moment is so angry with the BJP, or both at the state and the center, that you've turned to Mamta, whose one aim is to destroy the BJP in Bengal. So in a sense, she's taking you with her to, in a way, send out a message to the BJP leadership. Look, your entire party is turning to me. I ask you again, is politics about ideology? Is it about holding an office? Is it about loyalty to a party, win or lose? What is politics about for you?
It's not about holding an office. It's about being given a responsibility. It's about being given a responsibility. I want to make it very, very clear. It's about I love work, and even this East-West Metro in Bengal, the records are all there. And once again, I'm not going to delete any post, whatever is there about whatever I may have said earlier, whatever it is. I think whichever team I play for, I play with all my heart. That's what it is. And, you know, East-West Metro, I walked into Honorable Prime Minister's office and asked permission to give me the authority to handle East-West Metro. And you all know, please come and see, that's the first metro which is centrally sponsored in the entire country. Everything else is 50-50 by the state. I felt that I should bring entire central money into the state. I did that. And the metro
Sir, but if you did such good work, why did the Prime Minister remove you from the cabinet? If you did such good work, why were you removed from the cabinet? If you did such good work, why did the Modi government remove you from the cabinet?
Well, I have to respect. I was never in the cabinet. I was never given the chance to work as the MO in IC. So that is the prerogative of the Prime Minister.
Council of Ministers.
I respect that. Now BJP will have to respect. Well, they can disagree with me, they can criticize me, but they'll have to respect the decisions that I've taken. I love responsibility. I'm a workaholic. I want to work. I want to leave a mark. If I'm not given a responsibility, I am not here to sit on a bench and enjoy the perks of an MP, take a salary, hefty salary, and do all of that entire year flying free air flies and all of that. How do you know what I will be given? Will I get a salary? Do you believe
Mamta Banerjee, whom you once held responsible for? Do you believe Mamta Banerjee, whom you were so critical of one time, is now good enough to become the Prime Minister, a Prime Ministerial candidate? Because apparently you were quoted as saying Mamta can be the Prime Ministerial face.
Well, Rajdeep, let me ask you the question. You know, democracy, opposition is a pillar, is a very important pillar. If opposition do not exist, then I think democracy does not hold. It would be dictatorship. So if right now we are talking about the 2024 elections, there will be an opposition, or do you want an opposition-less election? You don't, right? So if you want an election where there is going to be opposition, there is no denying the fact that in whatever we have seen in the political scenario in the last 3 months, Mamta Didi is definitely up there in the list as one of the leaders of the opposition. That is something that, whether I am in TMC, whether I am a political observer, whether I retired from politics, or if I join you as your deputy in the newsroom, I think that is something that I'll have to say, right? Why did you smile for a time? You're grilling me, that's fine. But please accept my logic. I want responsibility. I want work. I do not want a salary where I've got nothing to do. To be very honest. If that is anger, if that is honesty, I give it to BJP.
You're saying you want to work for the...
Yes. I have taken bikes. I've reached places where no one else could do.
Let me ask you, therefore, in conclusion, because I know that you love your football, but you also love your music. Describe your situation today for me in a song. If you had to sing a song, what would that song be, Babul Supriyo, that defines your position, having shifted from the BJP to the Trinamool?
I've got a bad voice from all this speaking, but on a lighter note.
But just give the words. Your voice even a bad. You sing better than most people in the world.
ये दुनिया वाले पूछेंगे मुलाकात हुई क्या बात हुई ये बात किसी से ना कहना ये दुनिया वाले पूछेंगे. That's what you asked, right? What did I speak to Didi yesterday? And what is it that I'm going to do in the future? What was that opportunity?
Fair enough.
This is my answer.
Fair enough, Babul Supriyo. I think
Thank you.
Fair enough. I wish you all well. I wish you well. I hope you can serve the people of Bengal and the country in your own way.
I will.
Whether you're a political opportunist or just taking advantage of an opportunity, we leave it to the viewers to judge. Thank
Give
you
me the
so
benefit
much,
of the doubt.
Babul
as a friend.
Supriyo, for joining
Give me
me.
the benefit
Thank you
of,
and all the best.
Give me the benefit of the doubt. Give me the benefit of the doubt.
Thank you.
That's it. Thank you.
I will give you the benefit of the doubt. Thank you.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
You are watching India Today.